Will you come? Grayson, I need your help.
All right, we'll come. We'll be there in 2 hours.
Right. Cartwright out.
Look, I know you're still angry, but we don't have time for this shit. Cartwright needs us to rendezvous
I don't give a damn what Cartwright wants. Thanks to you, the carriers are leaving and they're not coming back. If we don't follow them now, we lose them.
Cartwright is arse over elbows. I don't like it any more than you do, but human lives are at stake.
You blew it up. Against my orders. And now we don't have a choice. Roland, are we loaded up?
Molly, you tell her. Those are your people in Luxembourg. Her father. Come on, Molly, tell her.
Stop that shit, Private!
Roland, don't you think I know that? Luxembourg is going to fall. We cannot save them. We need to follow the carriers, and we need to do it now. If my father were here, it is what he would do. This is the only thing that will stop them. Look, I'm not going to argue. You saved my life down there. I know that. But don't forget, if it weren't for me, you would have faced the firing squad. By all accounts, we are even. We're taking the VTOL.
We don't have time to argue. We can radio Parker, she can send scouts out.
I am sorry, James. But you are right. We do not have time to argue.
Grayson! Grayson! Damn it, where are you?
Grayson.
Grayson! Damn it, where is he?
Grayson here. Over.
Oh, Grayson. I thought maybe you'd gotten lost. Again.
And you were all ready for another court-martial, right? There's been a delay is all. My transport's gone. I'm gonna have to find another way to get to you. Grayson out.
Grayson took the commandeered Chimera machine and headed south into the area the Marquis called the Chimera Construction Zone. Bouchard's father and other researchers had no idea what the Chimera were building. Only that the zone occupied hundreds of square miles and was growing. Recon missions sent in to investigate never returned. Cartwright's mission to stop the Earth Mover was only the latest to fail. Grayson had been very lucky. Traveling through the trenches had allowed him to escape the notice of the patrolling Chimera dropships. But Grayson's luck was about to run out.
Earth Mover's been destroyed. Bravo and Charlie companies, what's your status? On our approach now, sir. And what of you, Bravo? Report. Bravo, come in, damn it!
The cavalry's here, Cartwright.
Grayson, brilliant timing. Catch up to Bravo and help them destroy their Earth Mover.
I'll help, but only for the refugees in Luxembourg. I'm not in your army, Cartwright. You kicked me out, remember? Let's see what you've got. What the hell are these guerrillas building? Tin cans! They just keep coming! Cartwright, what did you say I had to do to get past these gates?
A little thing called ingenuity.
Never mind. I remember. I have to blow up their bloody power stations. Come on, you big ape. Doubt, just start blowing shit up.